Alrighty, it is August 30th, 2025, and it's a Saturday. So I didn't record yesterday, I was a bit busy. But the verse of today, a new commandment I give to you, that you love one another just as I have loved you. You also are to love one another. So, yeah, yesterday, dude, yesterday was disgusting on the market. I really wanted to trade, and I kind of went against. I wasn't gonna trade, and then I'm like, dude, I'm itching for it. So that's something I gotta work on. To to just not to be able to not trade, because I first of all did two orders, and then I went above my risk management. Did 1.4% ish. Um, Labeled the sessions, and then found a daily fair value gap. Found my bias as well. My bias is freaking bullish. As you can see, it was not bullish. It was actually the opposite. But I mean, how am I supposed to predict that? Um, so it was looking very bullish. So I was pretty confident in it going to the upside. I know we hit all time highs, and so that's why I was a bit skeptical. And like that was fine. Um, 4 hour fair value gap here. So I think the day opened. Let's go smaller time frame. The day opened right here. Opened pretty good. Um, Asian session, like really just went sideways. The highs and lows were only like $10 apart. New York session, well, we already covered that yesterday or 2 days ago. London session, a bit bearish. It went below the Asian lows, but still above New York highs. And when market opened, I waited 5 minutes, like I said, and I actually waited quite a bit. I waited until 12:45. So I'm not trying to trade after one. Start a trade after one. And dude, like I saw 1 hour fair value gap, and then another 1 hour fair value gap, and then I'm like, okay, this is pushing through. I'm hoping for New York session highs, or even Asian highs. Nope. Touches, goes back down into this fair value gap, and then I thought I saw an order block because I thought it was going to be bullish. So obviously that's not right. Um, at the time, I think it was because it broke structure, liquidity sweep. Like, boom, I guess it broke structure, and then it was being in an uptrend. And then it made a 15-minute fair value gap. And then I'm like, all right, if it goes above this 15-minute fair value gap, I'm gonna aim for up, because it did a liquidity sweep, and then it was looking like it was gonna break structure. It didn't. Maybe the 5 minute. Nah, it just never broke structure. And then it went into this 4 hour fair value gap. So I'm like, okay, cool. Um, it's hovering around this liquidity sweep right here. Boom. So I was gonna break structure, and then it did. Broke structure. Thought that was gonna be order block. No, faked me out. Kept going down, and then I like literally every, as you could see, I thought it was breaking structure and going up like 1, 2, 3 times at least. It just kept faking me out, and I bought in here with the goal of, when this fully forms above this, which would have been a break of structure. Yeah, so basically right here, I was waiting for it to fully form above this line, which it did. So it broke structure, and then I would have on the 15-minute mark it broke structure. So I'm like, okay, it's not showing breaking of structure like on 5 minute, but it is on 15 minute, and 15 minute trumps the 5 minute. So I'm like, okay, I buy. Let's see exactly the minute I bought it on. I buy, boom, right here, right when it hits above this, I press the buy button. Literally, when it hit above this, and that was the last time it saw that. You know, you know what I'm saying. So I just really wanted to do a trade, and like I literally know, that's the thing. I literally know that you shouldn't just trade just because you want to trade for the day. Like I literally know that. I still did it though. I had my stop loss here, bro, and I had like crazy risk to reward ratio. It's like that. Obviously, dude, and it just barely, dude, by $1.25, it took my stop loss, and I was down. Ready for this? Boom. It's probably more than that. Yep. And I only did that one trade because I'm like, okay, I went above my risk management. I'm not seeing anything on S&P 500, and I kind of want to make it a habit to just stick to one. So instead of Nasdaq, I might just stick with ES1. Um, I don't know. Maybe I should like keep going back and forth. Um, this definitely looks a lot better than what I was just looking at. Um, yeah, I'm not gonna analyze that one, but yeah. So did a big oopsie.